Get it stuck.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris from Four Wheelhouse. Today we're out here at Bribie Island testing out the Supa 4x4 tyre compressor, multi-wheel, inflator and deflator combo. This is our Supa 4x4 V4 high output compressor, your perfect partner for off-road adventures. What makes this compressor stand out is speed. It's faster than anything else on the market. You can inflate a 35-inch tyre from 10 psi to 38 psi in just 2 minutes. Our multi-tyre inflator deflator lets you adjust all 4 tyres at once, ensuring they're inflated evenly. No more fiddling with each tyre individually, just connect and set the pressure and go. As you can see, it inflates super quickly, making it perfect for off-roaders who value their time. Plus, it comes with a heavy-duty carry bag for easy storage. So if you're looking for a reliable and high-performance compressor and inflator kit, check out the Supa 4x4 tyre inflator kit at Four Wheelhouse today. Happy adventuring!